Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Amazon Seller Central login problems. Account health issues step by step clearly. Open your browser in incognito or private mode to avoid old cookies blocking the login page. Go to Seller Central, Amazon.com, and confirm you are on the correct marketplace for your account. Type your email and password carefully. And if you use a password manager, paste once and recheck for extra spaces. If you cannot pass the password screen, click Forgot Your Password and reset it using your primary email. Complete any two-step verification prompt. And if you change phones, use backup codes or the Authenticator recovery option. If you are stuck in a loop, clear cookies and cache only for Amazon domains and restart the browser. Disable VPN, proxy, or ad blockers temporarily because Amazon may flag the session as suspicious. Try a different device or network, like switching from office Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot, to rule out IP blocks. Check your email inbox and spam folder for Amazon security alerts or verification messages. Search for messages from Amazon about account health or your selling privileges to identify the exact restriction. Log in to the Amazon buyer account page with the same email to confirm the email itself is still accessible. If you can enter Seller Central but see access limitations, open Account Health from the Performance menu. Read the banner messages carefully and note the policy name, date, and what Amazon is requesting. If the issue is selling privileges removed, open the specific violation and click Reactivate your account if available. Download any requested documents like invoices, utility bills, or identity documents and make sure names and addresses match. If the problem is identity verification, submit clear color scans, no cropping, no glare, and include all four corners. If the problem is business address, update your legal entity details first, then re-upload proof of address. If you see past due balance, go to Settings, then Account Info, then Charge Methods, and update your credit card. Confirm the new charge method by triggering a small authorization if Amazon requests it and wait for confirmation. If the issue is product authenticity or invoice needed, provide invoices dated within the last 365 days from a legitimate supplier. Make sure invoices include supplier name, address, phone, your company name, product names, and quantities that match listings. If the issue is policy compliance, write a short plan of action explaining root cause, corrective actions, and prevention steps. Keep the plan of action factual. Avoid blaming Amazon, and only promise changes you can actually implement. Submit your appeal through the exact case link in Account Health instead of creating a random new case. After submitting, monitor the case log and respond within 24 hours to any follow-up questions or document requests. If you are completely locked out, use the Need More Help link on the login page and choose Account Recovery. When contacting seller support, include your merchant token, registered email, last successful login date, and screenshots if possible. Wait for Amazon's review. Then try logging in again after you receive the reinstatement or verification completion email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.